Hello students, welcome to Source classes. Today our topic is UPSC Civil Service exam paper. Some questions are given from there and we will have to solve these questions. Okay, so now let's get started. Our first question is here. It is European Stability Mechanism. European Stability Mechanism. This term, sometimes we can see it in news, is an, and here four statements are given. Our first statement is agency created by Europe to deal with the impact of millions of refugees arriving from the Middle East. The second statement is agency of Europe that provides financial assistance to Eurozone's countries. The third statement is agencies of Europe to deal with all the bilateral and multilateral agreements on trade. And the last statement is agency of Europe to deal with the conflicts arising among the member countries. Now we will have to choose the correct one. Here option B, that is agency of Europe that provides financial assistance to Eurozone countries, is the correct answer. European Stability Mechanism has replaced, okay, let me write it here, European Stability Mechanism has replaced European Financial Stability Facility, European Financial Stability Facility as a funding unit to Eurozone countries, as a funding unit to Eurozone countries. Okay, so here option B is the correct answer, that is agency of Europe that provides financial assistances to Eurozone countries. Now here is our next question, and it's a very important question. The question is, which of the following is or are the advantages or disadvantages of practicing drip irrigation? So here some options are given. Okay, the three statements are reducing of weed. The second statement is reduction in soil salinity. The third statement is reduction in soil erosion. Now again we will have to select the correct answers using the codes that are given below. Here some codes are also given. So now at first let me tell you something about drip irrigation in a brief. Drip helps, okay, let me add a new page. Okay, drip irrigation helps control weed, that is due to localized application of application of water near the root of the plant. And soil erosion due to slow but sustained release of water. Due to slow but sustained release of water. Now, let me tell you some advantages and disadvantages of drip irrigation. At first, the advantages of drip irrigation. Okay. I'll describe this through some points. So let's start. First one is the maximum use of available water. The maximum use of the available water. The second one is no water being available to weeds. No water being available to weeds. Third one is maximum crop yield. Maximum crop yield. Fourth one is less weed growth and restrict population of potential hosts. Less weed growth and the restrict population of, and it restricts the population of potential hosts. And the next one is ready adjustment to sophisticated automatic control. Ready adjustment to sophisticated automatic control. Okay, now let me tell some disadvantages of drip irrigation. So now some disadvantages of drip irrigation. Again, I'll describe it through some points. Okay, so the disadvantages of drip irrigation is, in spite of the fact that drip irrigation has so many potential benefits, there are a certain limitations also, and they are, the first one is the sensitivity to cloggings. The sensitivity to cloggings. Now, the second one is moisture distribution problem. Moisture distribution problem. Third one is salinity hazards. Salinity hazards. Fourth one is high cost compared to furrow. high cost compared to Furrow. And the last one is high skill is required for design, install and operation. That is, high skill is required for design, install and operation. So here we can say that among the options, option C, that is 1 and 3 only is the correct answer. The first one is reducing of weight and the third one is reduction of soil erosion. So this is the correct answer. So option C is the answer.